Hey guys, today I will be doing my very first in a long time BoxyCharm, well, it's upside down, but BoxyCharm review, unboxing, makeup tutorial using all the products I have in here except for the shampoo and conditioner, which I have not had a chance to use yet. I'll quickly dive into the unboxing, then we'll get into the look. That's how we're going to do this. If you are new to my channel, my name is Candace. I do makeup, beauty, fashion, luxury, travel, food, lifestyle, pretty much everything except what I didn't name. So yeah, hopefully you find this video helpful. You love my channel, you stick around and subscribe. And if you're not new, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in once again. Let's go. So the actual box comes with 6 products. 2 of them are hair and 4 of them are beauty. So I'm mostly all about beauty, so I'm really excited about that. First, 2 things in the box are these Sol de Janeiro, I think that's how you pronounce it, Brazilian Joia shampoo and Brazilian Joia conditioner. It's kind of in cute little bottles like this. And this is a strengthening and smoothing shampoo. This is a strengthening and smoothing conditioner. Sulfate free, so it's great for color treated hair. That's pretty much all I can tell you about these because I've not used them. So we'll give those a try and see how they work. Next product is skincare. I did use this. This is 111 Skin. This is their NACY2 Pollution Defense Booster. Now, for this it says you're supposed to mix 1 to 2 drops with your favorite moisturizer or apply it directly to skin after cleansing. So in a sense it works similar to a serum or to like a moisture booster if you use one of those. Because it is like a liquidy consistency, it's clear. That's what the bottle looks like. And it's one of those dropper bottles. So you can get product in there and squeeze it out. I already had moisturizer on, so I actually applied this on afterwards. So I used it kind of like a foundation primer, although I don't think that's how you're supposed to use it because that's not in the instructions. It did work well that way, but foundation and face products still went on very well, even though I didn't follow the instructions. It feels great on the skin. It kind of has like a tacky consistency and texture, kind of like a primer would. So maybe it would be great as a foundation primer. Don't quote me on that, but that's how I used it today and it worked. So I'll be using this again. There are also 3 makeup products. Those are the last 3 products in the box. There's this Hourglass Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil in Ash, which you will see in the video I did not use because it does not work for me. It's a very light ashy color, just like the name of the shade. I do love how precise the tip of the product is. If you see that really, really precise tip, it is flat and skinny. And then on the other side you have your spoolie. Y'all know I love brow pencils like that because it's all in one. Don't need a separate spoolie to buff it out or buff your brow product out because it's all in one. That's great. It's just not a great color for me, so I really can't tell you how it works. Last 2 products. I'm wearing the lip product. This is Hola Neon, the Easy Cell Velour Liquid Lipstick. Feels great on the lips. It dries to like a creamy matte finish. It's not super drying on the lips. This is what the color looks like. It's a wearable nude-ish pink. Not quite nude, it's more pink than nude, but it's very wearable, as you can see. And then the last product is the Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise palette. Absolutely gorgeous. It has 4 very pretty bronzer shades in there. I used this one, which is the darkest one in the palette. It has 4 different shades for all skin complexions, which is perfect because not everybody likes a dark reddish bronzer like I do. So they have lighter ones in here too, which is great. Also has a built-in mirror, which is awesome. I'm wearing it today, as I mentioned. I think I said that already. But yeah, that was my unboxing. Stay tuned for the look. So I don't think there's like any eyeshadows in here, eyeliners, anything like that. So I'm just going to continue with my usual products, just random things. Gonna start with an eyeshadow primer. This is Urban Decay Primer Potion. Spreading this over the eye area. The palette I'm using today is from ColourPop. This is Orange Glad. I really have not experimented with this palette. I've had it forever. I've never used it. But I haven't even peeled the sticker out of the mirror. So this is totally unnecessary, but it will help the colors underneath. This is the NYX Jumbo Eyeshadow Pencil in Orange. I'm spreading this just on the lid. I'm extending it into the tear duct. Starting off with a crease color, I'm gonna start with creamsicle, this color right here. This. You see all my mess in the background. Using the Carrot E31, it's just a really fluffy contouring brush. This color is a lot more orange than I thought it was gonna be, which is not a bad thing. I just thought it was a little more washed out. That is not the case. A little muted, I guess. For the brow highlight, I'm taking this color called Zested. This looks like it would be perfect for that. Dusting off the same brush, and I'm going underneath the brow. I'm also going to use this as an opportunity to blend out those two colors. I need to tweeze my brows. Back to the brow highlight. I want a bit more sheen under the brow, so I'm taking Squeeze Me. I'm not going to take too much of this at all. It's just going to add a little bit of shimmer. I'm putting this right underneath the highest point. That's about it. As you can see, it's intense. So going back over with the Zested. It's just going to help fix everything, so it's not over the top. Unless you want it that way, then fine. I think that's good. On the lid, I'm gonna go bold or go home. I'm taking this color called Mimosa Mommy with a stiff brush. This is one from e.l.f. It's their professional eyeshadow brush. I'm packing this on. I'm not gonna quite go on the outer corner because I'm applying another color there. Just really focusing on layering that color on. Gonna go ahead and do outer V. Taking this color called You Peel Me. It is a darker, actually a medium reddish brown. Will work great for buffer shade as well. But I wanted to save it just for this. This is a MAC 226. It's really pointed and tapered. It allows you to go into a crease if needed. Going slightly high with this. Taking that really fluffy brush I used earlier, going back into Creamsicle, which is this color at the top right. And I'm just making sure that's blended all the way across. Just touching up some colors here. Okay, I'm gonna dust off that flat brush. I'm taking this color called Sunkissed here. It's the very bright orange popsicle type of color. This is going in my inner corner. I'm packing that on. Okay, for the bottom, definitely gonna do brown. No eyeliner in the BoxyCharm, so I'm gonna grab one out of here. I'm just gonna use, this is Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil and Torch. It is pretty much the same thing I'm using now. So reddish brown, orangey brown rather. This is going into the waterline and lower lash line. I'm gonna take that You Peel Me color on top of the bottom with that same crease brush I used earlier, the tapered one. I'm smudging it kind of low because I want a little more of a dramatized effect. I'm gonna take a tiny bit of Clementine. It's the only glitter in the palette. You're done with color. On the eyes at least. This is Grande ColourPop liquid liner. It's really not my favorite. Y'all know how I feel about these. We're gonna use it because I don't have any other brown liquid liner and I want to use liquid. That's why I don't like these. They skip and they screw you up. That is such an ugly wing, but at least I got them to match for the most part. Taking some concealer at the bottom. ColourPop Medium Dark 32, mixed with NARS Radiant Cream Concealer and Chocolate. I'm gonna go ahead and touch up around this area. I'm gonna mix two foundations together to get the perfect match. NARS Marquise's Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation with Vula, the Serum Foundation, and shade number 8. 2 pumps of this, 2 mini pumps with 1 pump of the Serum Foundation. So it's basically the same amount, maybe a little more lighter version than the darker one. This is a donut lace foundation brush. For mascara, I'm using the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. This is the sample size that I got at some point. I don't remember. Now I finally get to use something from the BoxyCharm. This is the Ace Beauté Bronzed in Paradise palette. It's basically a bronzer palette. Actually, I'm gonna go in with this darker color. Y'all know I love darker reddish looking bronzers. I'm gonna contour with this. This is perfect. I'll tell you right now, this color is the color I'm gonna hit pan on. It's just that great. Okay, this palette is awesome, just for that color. For blush, I'm just gonna take this one from Clean Color. This is Sun Baked, pretty much overused and stuff. Okay, for cheek highlight, I'm gonna take this color in the palette called Tangerine Dreams with a fan brush. Like a golden orange. If you happen to put too much, go back with your foundation brush and just smooth it out. For lashes, I'm gonna take these random ones. I have no idea what they are. They are wispy. If that helps at all. While I'm waiting on the lash glue to set, I'm gonna find a lip color. This is the Bare Minerals Gin Nude. I believe it's a lip color or lip gloss. It's in Savage. It looks like this. Hopefully it's opaque. That's what I'm going for. So I actually just realized that the BoxyCharm has a lip product. I totally forgot. This is the Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the Easy Cell. This is from Hola Neon. I think I might actually put this on because I really want to use everything in the box that I can. Although this is a great lip color. Not bad. It's just not the lip color I would have chosen for the eyes, but pink definitely looks great. And it's more of like a wearable pink. It's not super bright in your face. So yeah, I'm very pleased with the way this look turned out. Very pleased with the products. Only thing I'm kind of like about, and that I can't really try for myself, is the Hourglass Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. Like I said, it's not the right shade for my hair, for my skin complexion. It's really ashy, and ash is the name of the color. So on lighter hair, lighter skin complexion, this will probably work great for you. Hourglass is a great makeup brand, so I don't doubt that it's a great product. It's just not the right product for me. But yeah, please rate the video, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss anything I post in the future. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.